Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana update. And Solana is giving me a tough time, especially when I try to trade Solana, but I'm gonna do this update for you and let's talk about Solana and what is happening with Solana. So for the first time in a long time, history has been created where Solana pushed up to new all-time high of $295, $300 nearly. Now psychologically, a lot of people thought Solana is going to move above $300, but they actually started dropping it from $295. Small, tiny details, ladies and gentlemen, where you have to focus. You have to focus on this very small, tiny detail. Okay, this small, tiny detail is psychological number, and by psychological number, you might think, well, what is the guy even talking about? What I'm talking about is that Bitcoin went to $19,000 in 2017, and people thought it's going to touch 20K because we human beings, naturally, we love to round off a number, right? We take a number, we round it off to the closest next decimal. So if you say 18, you naturally want to map that to 20, and if you say 295, oh, that's $300, right? But in crypto, the definite number is a definite number. There's no rounding off. So if you look at 295, it doesn't mean you have to sell at $300. No, you sell it at 290. So let's just put this one little bit of an information out of the way. Secondly, is on the 1 hour time frame, I do see that Solana is kind of trading sideways. So number one, we have a lower support on the 1 hour, which is at $233 with this one touch here, this one successful second touch, and a third touch. Now you can expect one resistance coming this one, and then you have another resistance right there. And if you notice that we have been consolidating in between this triangle, and there are chances we might actually see Solana moving up to $264 again and maybe get nuked from here. So if it actually moved to 264, you have a good opportunity maybe to ride it all the way down to $230 again, and it's just going to consolidate between these two little bit of ranges. Now if you do end up coming to 233, however, and you lose that support retest, you're going to fall, and you're going to fall massively. So that's going to be another huge retracement to the downside, which is going to be, let's talk about this. So if you go down, you are going to move lower to $180.92. There are some few unretested areas like $220 as well, but we're going to touch that in the future. So what is it going to be? I've already laid things down to you. We needed a clear break, maybe just move up a little bit, break this trend line, retest, and then you have good chances of visiting $293 once again. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.